Good morning! It's another beautiful day here in Puebla. I'm going to be doing a bit of my own walking tour today, but if you're interested, they do have free walking tours of Puebla with a company called Estacion Mexico. A walking tour is a really good idea if you want to meet people or if you just want information. They're really, really informative and will take you to all of the best spots in town. I am on what's called Sweet Street right now. It's basically a whole street dedicated to candy shops. It's like Willy Wonka in here. So I've just bought these little cookies. She said that they're traditional from Puebla, so I'm gonna try them right now. That's really good. So I need to have something other than just sweets, so I popped into this little spot and ordered some tostadas. Then I'm gonna head down to the end of Sweet Street where there's like a little neighborhood with artisans and people painting. We'll see what I find. Wow, these are a lot bigger than I was expecting, but they look amazing. This is so cool. There's actually people in each of these little rooms, creating, painting, and sculpting as you speak. So just across from the artist neighborhood is more of a artisan area. They've got jewelry, they've got traditional clothing, souvenirs, handicrafts. So this street was actually blocked off earlier today. It's right by the Zocalo, the big cathedral. But it's open now, and I'm looking for a library. It's supposed to be the oldest library in the Americas, and they have over 45,000 books. So, I'm here. Okay, so it's quite empty empty when you first walk in. It looks like they've got maybe a bit of an art gallery going on, but then you go to the back and there's a staircase that goes up to the library. So cool. It was very like Beauty and the Beast. It was really big. It doesn't take you long to go through it though. You do have to pay because it's kind of like a museum. It's 40 pesos, around $2. Totally worth it though. It was really neat. So I guess the rest of the building is being used as the Casa de Cultura, House of Culture. And it's just got exhibitions from all these different artists. So this is my last stop today. I'm gonna head back to the hostel, get a good night's sleep because tomorrow I'm headed to Oaxaca.